This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open DevTools now, press F12 or Ctrl+Shift+I and jump straight to sources. Once there, load the file that throws the error and enable pretty print so lines make sense. Make sure source maps are active if you use bundlers, because that connects minified code to your originals. Then set a breakpoint at the suspected line and trigger the bug. This first step isolates execution so you can inspect values instead of guessing what the code does. Once stopped at a breakpoint, you step over to Skip Utilities, step into to dive into specific functions, and step out to return quickly. Check scope and the call stack to see where data originates and add critical variables to watch for live updates. If a loop fires too fast, set conditional breakpoints or use log points to record values without pausing. Doing this narrows down root causes faster because you inspect actual runtime state instead of inferring behavior from static code. After identifying the faulty logic, make a quick live edit in sources to test a fix, then rerun the scenario to verify results. Use console for runtime errors and network to confirm requests, timing, and payloads. This reveals async race conditions. If behavior persists unexpectedly, clear cache and disable the service worker, or reproduce in incognito to rule out extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: if breakpoints do not hit, confirm source maps and hard reload with cache disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.